Hi, today I'm with me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Lite and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first we should open notification panel, and if you wanna add some icons here or remove some of these options or just to change their positions, we should click here to this plus icon, or here on the right upper corner to these three dots, click to edit buttons, and here we'll see this down section with all invisible, this up section with all invisible icons. For example, if you wanna add here more options, for example the microphone access, just you should hold the icon and drag it to this down section. You can add all of these options if you want. By the same way, just to remove the icon from here, you should just hold it and drag it to the up section. Just if you want to change the positions of these icons, you should hold and drag it. As you can see, that's all simple. And then just tap here to dance it to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.